Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today there's no toys open. Are you guys disappointed?
Yeah, where is your toys?
No, close your eyes and I'll do a magic trick and I toys will come. 3, 2, 1. Bibbidi bobbidi boo!
Wow.
Now are you disappointed?
No, we are not disappointed anymore.
Yay! So let's open it.
Close up first.
What the?
You never forgot about it.
This is Frankie.
Yeah,
her
Frankie.
name is Frankie. You can call her Frankie, but her full name is Frankie Stein. But her half name is Frankie. Look at the side. Her tail is kind of perfect.
Yeah, Frankie Stein.
Can I open
This
it?
monster.
She's not a monster. She's Frankenstein.
Yeah.
That's a key.
Want to open it now?
Yeah, I don't know. Let's try race. Let's do this. Bibbidi bobbidi. Boom. Oh yeah.
How come the package is always difficult to unpack?
I don't know.
Ooh.
Like we could disappear it again.
She look pretty, right? Does she look pretty?
Give me. Let's disappear it when she gets more lucid. Close your eye. Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
It's okay, I helped you out.
No, I
You
want
do it by
to.
yourself. Okay. Sure you love Monster High?
I don't really know what.
You don't love it?
I don't know. I don't know the movie of Monster High, but I watched it a few times only. Her tail is.
Oh, you told me you watched 007 tonight, right? This is the 007 we watched.
Hey,
Actually,
don't show him.
this is a German version. It's in Deutsch.
It's in Deutsch.
Yeah, you see, it's Deutsch. It's not English. It's not English.
But we watch it in English.
Yeah, they got Deutsch,
I'm very
English, and Turkish.
hot. I'm sweating. Let's open it.
We brought it in from
When
Germany.
I'm opening this box, I'm sweating. Like,
Be
sweat.
careful, don't cut your finger.
For real, I'm sweating.
You like 007?
I
Hey, 007.
don't like it. It's for Batman.
You need some help now. Raise your hand.
It's inside. Yeah, wait.
It's better for cameraman to help you.
Cause you would cut your finger and I'm very sweating when I open this box. It's like already past 3 minutes.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Kids, you like to watch Audrey to her show? Yes.
But sometimes I get a video of Maya because she is my classmate, also a little bit of a sister.
Yeah, that's why
It's
you cut.
because you call us dual sisters. Like dual.
Have guys check it out?
Yeah, check it out. Check it out. It's down below.
Done.
Oh my gosh, she doesn't look like a mermaid. Look at her tail. Her tail is crazy.
Yeah.
Her tail is it's movable, but it's hard to move. She doesn't look like a mermaid though.
Yeah, they got a brochure.
She is real taller. Wait, she has a rubber band. Remove the rubber band! Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you can twist her tail. You see?
Wait! I can't twist it.
Okay. Okay, they still have a rubber band with it. Okay,
I
done.
couldn't open it though. Couldn't open it. Look at her. She is pure tall. Look, when she's doing standing. What if she's standing like this? She's very tall. But the other mermaid was taller than this mermaid. This does not look like a mermaid. This doesn't even look like a mermaid, guys. Does she look like a mermaid? Comment down below. Oh my gosh, her skin is white. Wait, she has a belt. She has a belt, can also take off her shirt. We're not doing this. Look, she's Frankenstein. She has right here. You probably, guys, you don't see it there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right here. Like, you already see it, right? Like, the Frankie thingies, the black thingies. I don't know.
Yeah, we can see it.
Yeah, and having bad control turning this. Why is there... Look, there's 3 rubber bands on her head. Oh, those are very spicy. You guys don't really want to ask your mom to buy one of these. I think you do. Where did you buy it?
Somewhere, I forgot.
You're smart. I am smart. 4 plus 4 equals 8, right?
Oh, I guess I bought it from Germany last time.
No, you didn't.
Yes.
No, you didn't.
I went to the Kaufhaus in Frankfurt, actually, if I'm right.
Actually, this one doesn't have wings. She can also twist her hands and do like this, also like carrying her, their people as a baby. She can also make magic like, she can also do like this. Look. Wait.
Okay.
Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to So bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us big thumbs up. Bye. Bye.
Follow your Instagram.
Also, like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.